Hello and welcome everybody to another Godot tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to use and create classes in Godot and how you work with them in your script files. I changed the language from my Godot to English because I missed that in the last video and I hope you can better follow the workflow for now. So let us get into the script. So first of all, classes were introduced in Godot 3.1, I think. And with classes you have the possibility to write classes in your script and you can use them for your scripts as you need them. Before you would have to do it in a script without a class definition. It would work the same way, but now we have a better class scope in general. Let us look into the classes here. What I'd like to do is I create a global script file which we can autoload later on. And in this file I set up my classes I need for my game. So in this case I have very basic class for my inventory yet and a very basic class for my items yet. The cool thing about classes is you can use them in strict typing for your functions. So if I need an item here in my inventory, I can of course say this item needs to be a type of item, and then we will have an item here in our function we can use with them. So to define a class, we just take the keyword class and then write down the name, whatever class we want to have. And inside the class scope, we have, of course, everything you could use in the script, something like variables, constants, functions, whatsoever. And yeah, you have the same possibilities and all of that is then scoped into the classes. So how we use these classes, you may want to know now. We have our item and we have our inventory. As I said, I put them both in the global GD script. And now I like to do it in the autoload and put the global scope to my path of the global script and just name it global. So I can access these classes with the global keyword. So let us check it out in Hina's script. In the ready function of my character, I now create a new inventory. For that I can access our inventory with my global keyword followed by the inventory class and then creating a new instance by that. Now we have the inventory, which is the inventory class. So and now we have with our inventory, of course, all the functions we have defined in our classes. So if I scroll down here, I have here, for example, I have the add function where I can call it and I just add an item to our inventory. Also on another script here, I use my item class, so it's the same usage. I use the global namespace, the item, create a new item instance, set the name for the item and append that to my items array. Yeah, this is how you use classes in general, which is very basic. It's a very short tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new. As always, please suggest me new topics you would like to have covered in the future. My backlog is already filled up with some topics. You can await much more tutorials to follow. I normally have my weekly schedule and I will stick to that for now. Maybe I can squeeze in some tutorials in between. But please make sure to follow my channel, leave a like, please comment any feedback you got for me, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye!